Title of story: The Joy of Stamp Collecting. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a boy named Alex. Alex was an ordinary boy with an extraordinary passion, collecting stamps. It all began one rainy afternoon when he discovered an old, dusty box in his attic. Curiosity piqued, he opened it to find a treasure trove of colorful stamps, each with unique designs and histories. Excited, Alex pored over the stamps, imagining the places they represented. There were stamps from far-off lands, depicting majestic mountains, exotic animals, and famous landmarks. He learned that stamps weren't just pieces of paper. They were tiny windows into different cultures and stories waiting to be uncovered. Determined to build his own collection, Alex visited local shops and flea markets, searching for rare finds. He spent his allowance on stamps and even traded duplicates with friends. Each addition to his collection felt like a victory, and soon, he had a vibrant album filled with stamps from around the world. One day, he stumbled upon an old post office that had a special stamp exhibition. The walls were adorned with stamps from countries he had only dreamt of visiting. He met other collectors there, each sharing their own stories and experiences. Inspired, Alex realized that collecting stamps was more than just a hobby. It was a way to connect with others and learn about the world. As the years passed, his collection grew, and so did his knowledge. He became fascinated by the history behind each stamp, the stories of the people who designed them, the events they commemorated, and the countries they represented. Alex not only collected stamps but also explored geography, art, and history, all thanks to his passion. One summer, Alex took a trip to the country of his favorite stamp, Italy. Armed with his camera and stamp book, he set out to visit the places featured on his prized stamps. Standing in front of the Colosseum, he felt a rush of excitement. The same building he had admired through a tiny stamp was now towering above him, revealing its magnificence in person. Years later, as Alex looked back at his journey, he realized that stamp collecting had shaped who he was. It taught him patience, the thrill of discovery, and the joy of connecting with people from all walks of life. Each stamp represented a moment in time, a lesson learned, and a world to explore. In the end, Alex understood that the fun of collecting stamps wasn't just about the stamps themselves. It was about the stories, the friendships, and the adventures that came with them. And so, with a heart full of memories and a collection that spanned the globe, Alex continued his quest, ready to uncover the next story waiting to be told through the art of stamps. And who knows, one day, he might just inspire another curious child to start their own journey into the colorful world of stamp collecting.